Hey, it's me, Bark! Today's my day off. No races, no rescues, just sunshine, sand, and snacks. I packed my favorite bone-shaped towel and hit the beach early. The air smelled like salt and adventure, my two favorite things. I thought surfing would be easy. Turns out, the ocean had other plans. The first wave looked friendly, until it flipped me, my surfboard, and my confidence upside down. I came out looking like a soggy mop, but hey, at least the crowd was laughing with me, I think. Then I met this tiny crab, and let's just say he wasn't too happy to see me. I was just sniffing around, minding my own business, when pitch, right on the nose. That crab had no chill. I ran down the beach with him chasing me like I stole his seashell. I spotted a little girl crying. Pete Toy was floating away. Time for Bark to save the day. Without thinking, I dashed into the waves. The water was chilly, but I swam as fast as I could. I grabbed the toy just before it drifted too far. When I brought it back, the girl smiled and hugged me. That's the best reward a dog could ever get. Don't forget to like and follow for more of my adventures. See you on the next wave.